Hey guys, welcome back. I'm EDC Gunner, and today we have an unboxing. It's a cool Seiko. I'm just gonna let it in. But before that, if you like unboxings, if you like watches, affordable watches, and if you like me, you will most definitely like Random Rob. So check out Random Rob on YouTube. He does unboxing every other day. He unboxes a new cool Seiko, some affordable watches, some micro brands, and some of the higher end stuff. So definitely check out Random Rob. And without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy here. Today I'm gonna unbox this with my trusty Spyderco Cricket. Excellent blade for unboxing. It's almost my go-to blade for unboxing. Okay, I got this watch online locally, and this is a Seiko already. I told you that. It's kind of like the. Well, let me just unbox it. So you want to see some knife action going on here? Damn it! I warned the guy to packet it nicely, but this is a bit too much. I need to cut in. Okay, let's see. It's one of those deals you get. Damn it, dude, you really make me work for it. I don't want to cut into anything inside the box, inside the package, and that's why I love this one, because it won't go too deep. Okay, this blade, or any Spyderco for that matter, just shreds the cardboard. Check this out. Oh my god. Random Robs is doing this better than I do. Okay, let's see now, what do we have here? Look at all this mess. Huh. Okay, we have some links, and immediately you can see the reference number and the sticker type price of this watch, but I got it for way cheaper than this. This is SRP 704 and the sticker price is $375. Look at this beauty. This is like a cocktail time, except it's not. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this one. Oh, look at this. It has a guillo shape pattern that I like similar like the Aris I used to have. And I was a bit thinking I don't want to go plated stuff. I don't know whatnot, but I like it. And I got this way cheaper than the sticker price. Yeah, I negotiated this to €100, so it's a very nice watch. Has a Seiko 4R35 movement and A and B. I can never understand what that is, but as the guy was explaining to me, this is a good movement. It hacks and hand winds, so it hacks. I don't really care about that. I prefer screw down crown than the hacking. Some of the watches. Okay, I need to give it a go a little bit. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna now, you know the deal. I don't like the bracelet, this part here, for $375 retail. That's Seiko could do it better. Yeah, nice dressy watch, just like a cocktail time. I think on a leather band it would look really good. And that's it. I'm gonna let you guys go now. Check out Random Rob, and I'm gonna enjoy this watch weird because you can never fully just review watches out of the box. I need to test it to see do I like it, what I like about it, what I do not, and sometime in the future, at least a week, but probably more, I will do a review. Right now I'm testing a different kind of watch. Maybe you can see it on my Instagram. It's a Tissot, but not Le Locle, the other one, the better one. So thank you for watching, guys. I'm EDC Gunner. Hope you liked this unboxing. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Smash that button, thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithms. Subscribe if you're new to watches. I review watches, all sometimes cool blades, and we do things that all boys like. So cheers.